Hi guys, welcome to Easy Peasy Gardening. I'm your gardener friend Ruchi, and today I want to give you an update on uh, a money plant branch that we had that was almost dying. It had no leaves, and we made a few cuttings out of it, put them in water, and in about 4 weeks, it started to grow roots. And I had left it at that point and said that now those cuttings have roots, so if you want to leave them in water, you can leave them in water, or if you want to put them in the soil, you can do that too. Now some of you have asked, what happened to those cuttings, so I am showing you those cuttings. So a few of those I had planted in soil, like these you can see, and some of them are doing really well. For example, this one, I can see that the stem is really strong and the leaves are really strong. Even this one is doing well. Now some of them, like this one, is it hasn't grown that much. It is still tiny. Even this one, it hasn't grown that much. But all in all, that's what happens. If you have 10 cuttings, 2 of them will do really good, 5 of them will be average, and the rest will probably die. So, but I mean, most of them have survived in the soil. And then a few of those I put into the water, as you can see. So I took a big, actually it's a fish jar, so so that it gets room to grow, and you can see that the roots are so huge. And I put them in water, and they are doing well in water too. But one thing I must tell you, that when you are growing something in soil versus water, what are the pros and cons. So in water they root faster, and in the beginning it will appear as if they are growing very fast. In soil they take more time, but in the long run you will notice that the leaves are bigger here, they are more healthy in the soil than in the water, unless you put some liquid fertilizer, which I have not. This is just plain water, tap water, and I keep changing it every 3-4 days. So in general, when you grow something in water versus soil, in water the leaves will be smaller, in soil they'll be bigger, and in the long run your plant will be much happier in the soil than in the water. So up to you, what you want to do and what is the purpose that for which you are planting this. And one thing I wanted to tell you, that all these are kept indoors, so they get indirect bright sunlight because they are in a room which has a south facing window. So they don't get direct sunlight, but they get indirect sunlight, because that's what pothos or money plants love, indirect sunlight. So I hope this update was useful to you. If you have any questions, leave a comment and I'll try to answer as soon as possible. If you like this video, press the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you next time. Happy gardening. Bye.